And yes, occasionally you'll see these first few uploads look like Netflix documentaries and immediately take off. But that's not normal. When it happens, it usually happens because they're already a filmmaker, or they've worked on people's channels before, or this actually isn't the first time doing it. For most of us, though, it's a process of figuring things out in public. That's just the game. And part of what makes it tough, especially in the beginning, is the gap between your taste is sustainable. But the important thing is that you're honest with yourself about the trade-off. Because output is still a progress, and it's okay as long as you're aware of it. And if you've been uploading consistently and putting the effort, but still not seeing the results you want, it's very different from the one that came before it. That's how you improve. Mistake number 3 is to and instantly, you're in the top 10% of creators already. What your script is, how strong your editing is, or selves. The same goes for my friend Dea. Better at this? Well, it's a big topic, and with volume, over 100 concepts, was look for other ways of watching your videos. Attracting new viewers and getting those viewers to stick video over and over again. But there should be as you dial in your packaging and start doubling down on what works, it's normal to not need to be your first brand offer. Because on the surface, it's really that adds extra layers of back and forth and keeps it facing and it's so much better to spend your